Is she recording?
Yeah.
Shit.
Press it again. Take a shower. But it's not ready.
Hey, hey.
But, buddy, look.
Where's everybody's West Coast custom shirt? Alright, ready?
Buddy, look.
Alright, so West Coast custom shirt right here, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, so yeah, you gotta
You
tell
gotta put
them.
it on like they doing the show.
Yeah, you gotta talk like they doing the show.
Who's the host?
Who's the host?
Buddy,
TV's the host.
Come on, man. Let's go.
Alright, buddy, when you first gave us the car, it was all broke down in that box. Fucking lift up the seat, man. Show them what we got.
Check out your new ride, buddy. Now you gotta show them the interior and shit. I gotta show them everything, you know what I'm saying?
Chef, we're so funny, we think every car, it was no stickers. Now look at the stickers, man. It's all beautiful, man.
Show the interior, man.
We gave you the seat belts to be safe, you know what I'm saying? We gave you the seat belts.
Look at the look on buddy's face. That's priceless. That's priceless. Look.
You got the headlights.
Look at surprise. You look shocked.
Jungle, you got the lights right here, man. You know what I'm saying?
We hooked you up with a steering wheel too, with some music.
You got the TV right there in front of the steering wheel, man. Oh my God.
Take it to the back of the truck. Take it to the truck. Show them what we're working with. See what I'm
We got the trunk right here, man. We got the screen right here, the TV right here. See the TV right there? You know what I'm saying? So the people behind you could be watching TV while you're at the light, man. Check it out right there.
price.
Fuck up a sticker right here. Why your boy, Mark?
That was that nigga TV right there,
We
man.
got you hook you up with the 22s
The
right
22s,
there, man.
man. Check out the 22s, man. Check the 22s, man. Check the 22s, dude. You know, gave him the Gucci seats too. Look at the seats. You know, with the race car thing.
Hey, before you go, buddy.
Buddy, you need 2 more things.
Oh, we just hooked you up
Yo,
with
the
a new
phone.
We got you a new phone.
Hey, you need your 2 things. You know, here's your keys, and you officially been pimped. Here you go, man. Start the car. Here are the keys to your new car. Get your new car. And then press the button to turn on the car.
After the show.
That's so, yeah, man. I don't even think it's super. Oh. What's up? No. You suck, nigga.
How you doing? Man, how did you clip? Clip the
You know how to do a speed limit like this? Who's gonna drive him, Russell? Oh, you got stand up, food.
Let's go stuff this man.
Look, boy, you can barely fit in there. Whoa. See, we had to take his whole car off. The back
Oh, snap.
whole thing, you know.
There's one more piece left. So we got to put it on.
You're my motherfucking car with my hater killer cousin in a bottle of rum.